If you are an author or you want to be, you are exactly where you need to be right here at Bourbon Books. Seriously, I hope you pull up a chair, take a deep breath and start digging into the playlists. What I know about writing is that it is definitely not a linear process. It is not neat, it is not tidy. I have written for 4 different publishers: Kensington, Penguin Random House, St. Martin's Press, and Alcove Press. And I've done some indie projects. And even now, after more than 35 books, some days feel like I am plotting a novel, fixing a character's trauma, reinventing my entire marketing plan, and it's not even lunchtime yet. I've lived this life for a long time now. My first book was published in 2008, and I really believe in paying it forward. I also believe that it takes a village, and together we are that village. Cliche, maybe, but it's very, very true. This is what Bourbon Books is all about, and it's why I am here to help you make sense of it all. Hi, my name is Melissa Bourbon. I'm the author of more than 35 books, as I said, many of them national bestsellers. I have written across cozy mystery, magical realism, and women's fiction, and I also have some craft books. I'm also the voice behind WriterSpark Academy, which is a content and course site for writers. I've spent decades in this business, writing, publishing, teaching, coaching, creating covers, building platforms, rebuilding platforms, figuring out how to make this creative life sustainable. This channel is the place where all of that experience comes together. I like to think of it as a weekly check-in. This is me saying to you, you can do this, you've got this. Every week, I show up here with tools that are going to help you actually grow, whether that's in your marketing or your craft or both. Craft Thursdays are all about lessons on character and story structure and world building, emotional wounds, subtext, all those storytelling layers that make your writing shine. Some are short, some are longer, but my goal is always to give you solid takeaways. That is the teacher in me. Marketing Mondays are all about smart, approachable marketing, and a lot of it is Pinterest based for authors because Pinterest for marketing is my passion. These are like training sessions, so you can grow your platform without the burnout, which is very real. I've lived it, and without chasing trends. It's much more sustainable. I have tons of author interviews so you can learn from successful authors, people who have been in the trenches, who have done it, who have learned, who have grown, and who are making this life work for them, as well as some behind the scenes insights, cozy bookish vibes, and a peek into my own writing world. My entire goal here is just to help you build a writing life that you love with stories that readers won't be able to put down. With Bourbon Books, here's what I absolutely guarantee. Nothing, almost nothing here is fluff. Maybe a few things, but not very many. Nothing is gatekept. Nothing is watered down. So I'm sharing everything I've learned from drafting all of those books, from navigating multiple pen names, I have 3, and from building an author career from scratch. I didn't know anything when I started, and now I know a lot, and I'm sharing it with you. My hope is you don't have to waste years figuring it out alone because we are that village. We can do this together. If you have ever thought, I just wish someone would tell me how to do this, that's me. That is literally what this channel is about, what it's for. So hit subscribe, jump into the playlists, and explore whether you're here for the craft, the marketing, the cozy writing life, the interviews, or all of it. I'm so glad that you found your way here to Bourbon Books. Let's grow those stories, let's grow those skills, and let's build that author platform together. Welcome so much to Bourbon Books.
Ain't never needed Poppy's blessing, no. You need keep working just to get it, though. I know she carried your whole world.